Have you ever felt like talk therapy helped, but only up to a certain point? Sometimes, even after weeks or months of talking, the same pain or patterns still linger beneath the surface. That's where Brainspotting comes in. It's a powerful brain and body-based therapy that helps people process trauma and deeply rooted emotional pain in a different way. Where you look affects how you feel. And Brainspotting works by helping the brain access difficult experiences and unprocessed emotions through eye position. It taps into the body's natural ability to heal, going beyond words. Many clients have described it as something that finally helped them feel calmer, make new connections, and make what was once overwhelming feel smaller, more manageable, and further away. Whether you're dealing with anxiety, grief, unpleasant feelings, or unhelpful thoughts, Brainspotting can help you process and work through painful feelings that traditional therapy sometimes can't reach. At LifeSpring, we offer Brainspotting as a regular part of therapy, or in focused intensive sessions for those looking to make progress faster. Our trained clinicians create a comfortable, empowering space for you to explore, process, and heal at your own pace. Curious if Brainspotting is right for you? Reach out today. We are here to help.